Today I will show you how to set up Link Layer VPN with HTTP settings, a quick and easy method that lets you configure a custom HTTP protocol connection in just a few minutes. Whether you are new to this app or just want to switch to HTTP settings for a faster and more stable connection, this video will walk you through everything from installation to getting connected. So let's get started. To begin, open the Play Store on your device and search for Link Layer VPN. Once you see it appear in the search results, go ahead and tap on it to open the app page. Now find the Link Layer VPN app in the search results and tap on it to start the download. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs. This usually only takes a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation finishes, you will see an Open button appear on the screen. Tap on that Open button to launch the application, and you will be taken straight to the home screen of the app. When you open it for the first time, the app may ask for notification permission. Go ahead and tap Allow so you can receive connection alerts and updates. On the home screen, you will notice a large Connect button in the center, and just above it there is a Server List option. Tap on that server list to see the available servers you can choose from. Before connecting, let's take a moment to explore the different protocols this app offers. Just below the server list, you will see a small gear icon. Tap on that gear icon to open the full menu of protocol options. Inside this menu, you will find several protocols including UDP request, slow DNS, SSL settings, HTTP settings, and a few others. We are going to go through how each one works, starting with the one we need today. If you want to use an HTTP payload instead, you can tap on that option, and on the next screen, simply enter the payload you already have, then save it to apply the settings. But for this tutorial, we are focusing on HTTP settings, so go ahead and tap on that option instead. On the next screen, make sure the HTTP protocol is selected, then enter your HTTP host along with its corresponding port. Once you have filled in both fields, tap Save to apply the configuration and return to the home screen. Back on the home screen, choose any server you prefer from the list, whether that is USA, UK, or any other available location. Once you have made your selection, you are ready to connect. Now simply tap the Start button to begin the VPN connection. If you want to monitor the connection in real time, you can tap the Log button to view detailed connection logs. And that's everything you need to know about setting up Link Layer VPN with HTTP settings. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment if you run into any issues, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.